Guys, this is the outfit.
Sassy outfit.
Sassy outfit, sexy.
No sexy, sassy.
Sassy. Okay, we're gonna go into the water now. Now we're gonna explore the jungle and explore the whole island along the coastline and maybe even inland. And yeah, I'm gonna put the camera on my head or on my breast and then I'll just film if I see something nice.
Yeah?
Okay, first we are looking for a nice piece of wood to make my spear out of it. I think this one's good. Nah, this one's too light though. But maybe light is good. Here's a coconut. Wait, I need a stone. This is a coral stone. Maybe I can break it with that. This is an old one though. Here you can see the coconut and it already has a hole in it. There's no juice. I think they have to be green if they're still drinkable. But there are a lot of sticks here. Maybe I'll find my stick. I still have this one, but it's so light, so I think it's gonna break very easily. But I think I'll still use it. Shit. Okay, so the important part about making a spear is don't just sharpen the edge like up here, but also like take a huge chunk out of here. Because if you only take the edge, it's gonna be like not the edge, the top. It's gonna be very pointy, yes, but you can't do much out of it, you know, because if you like try to penetrate anything, it's only gonna get through this far. If you wanted to get through like this far, then you should also like edge it till this far. Yeah. So I'm gonna sharpen it till here. You know, like slowly. Yeah, I'll give you the results when I'm finished. Okay, this is the final product. This is how it looks. What do you think about my spear?
Good, really good.
Wow.
Like a professional. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Oh my god.
Whoa.
This is huge. Looks like an ass.
I will try to open this coconut now. This coconut is strong, but it has water inside if you can hear this. But I don't know if they're eatable. I don't think they're eatable. They taste like poison. But maybe they're not ready yet. Hey guys, you see those birds? You see these birds? I'm gonna call them. Quella is coming. The birds are catching something, but let's see. Yeah. Look there. Ah, there are a lot of fish. Yeah. So many fish. Maybe I can catch one with my spear. Ah, they're too small. Crazy, look at all those fishes. You see? I could tell by the birds. I am one with the nature and the nature is one with me. We found another tribe of people. I need to kill them. They don't have a weapon like me. I think in nature, I'm the king of this island right now. And I hope you guys can hear me because I was in the water earlier. That means that the sound could be bad because of the water in the microphone, and also the wind is pretty heavy, but I hope it still works. I will get myself a microphone, but I'm too broke for that right now, so one day I will get one. I will do it as my 10 follower special. I are doing some pictures right now, so I'll need to find food. Oh, what do we have here? So this looks much like a place where I can find crabs and other kind of stuff, like oysters. And there's many birds here. That means they have food here. Or maybe they just sleep here. But it's during the day, so I don't think they're sleeping yet, so maybe it's food. I'll keep you updated if I find something on here. And by the way, I also heard there are crocodiles on the island, but only in a special area. And for like crocodiles to swim here from the land, it's very unlikely because it's very far away. But the biggest crocodile in the world, I think, lived here. But I'm not sure. But I heard so from another guy. I'm kind of wondering right now how this landscape was formed. Because look, it's like a huge line of rocks. Like random. And there's like all lines behind it. For example, one line there, one line we're on right now, and then one line back there. All the birds are back there. I'm walking next to these rocks to see if I can find any crab or anything like that, but I couldn't find anything yet. Oh shit, what's that? That looks so crazy. What the fuck? I don't think it's something alive. Oh, it is alive! Is this something like a snake? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, what the fuck? It feels so weird. So, his skin is very soft. On the downside, it's not as soft. But I don't want to hurt him. Like, I think if I do anything, like poking him or anything, it could like get through because he's so soft. And I don't want to move this rock because it's so tight in here. But I kind of want to see his face. Are there? This is his head. His body is going like this, and here's his back. Yeah, this is so cool. I don't know what kind of animal this is. If you know what kind of animal I just found here, write it in the comments. I thought it was like some kind of clothing. Guys, look at this! I found an animal.
What animal?
It looks like a snake, but it's not a snake.
Make a film, I cannot go there.
Okay. They want me to film because they don't want to walk here. Wait. He's getting his head out of the... Yeah. He's getting smaller. What is this thing? Oh my god. Oh, his whole body is going into his body like this. Because I put my finger in there and my finger was getting sucked into his body right now.
Where is it?
Now his body is coming out. As you can see. Look.
Oh my god. What is it?
I don't know.
Can I touch?
Yes. So soft.
Come on!
Okay, Quella.
What?
Maybe this animal doesn't have a name. We have to give him a name. What name should we give him? So he can suck himself into himself. I think he works like this. So this is the snake.
Yeah.
And then he goes like this, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So let's call him Gert.
I don't know. Let me think about it.
Okay. You give him a name, okay?
Hmm?
You gave him a name. Oh guys, there's something different, interesting also here. Do you see that? It's a little crab. The ones that get into new shells every time they grow. Wait, I'll try to pick him up. Oh, he hit himself. Oh, there he is. There's two of them. I don't know their English names, but in German they're called Einsiedlerkrabbe. I'm gonna research it. Okay, so we're still thinking about a name for this guy. I said he should be called Dragon in Chinese, but she says he needs a special name.
Yeah, special name. Totally.
Something that has never been there before.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's so hard. I don't know how to choose. Yeah. But
3, 2, 1.
One.
What?
His name is One. You say 3, 2, 1.
His name is One.
Yeah, One.
One.
Yeah.
One it is. Bye bye One.
You know, one in Chinese is million.
Million.
Yeah, but in English is one.
Ah, really? Okay, one is like. Are you good? because he's like 1 in a million.
One Chinese is million, but English is just one. So
Okay.
it's like the same pronounce.
Yeah, so 1 in Chinese means million and 1 in English means 1.
Yeah.
And he's called 1. Guys, I found a lot of these little crabs here. Let's look at this one, for example. You can still see his hand, the white thing. I don't think it's like visibly on the camera. But look, this one is walking. You can see how he's walking. This one is also walking. There he is. But I think his shell is way too heavy for him because he's so small. Guys, I found some huge ones. Especially this one here. Oh shit. Here, look at him. He's giantly. Like, these are also huge, but this one is the king. Oh shit. Show me the pen. Oh shit.
I fall down here. I never
Yeah,
fall
me
down.
too. Oh my life.
Okay guys, I'm alone now. They're going back to the site where the boat was parked. And I'm going into the jungle to explore a little bit more. But I just have like half an hour time left. So I'll have to be fast to see as much as I can from this island. Bro, this smoking area is the coolest smoking area I've ever seen. I'm not smoking, I'm breathing. Yeah, come on. I will go there not to smoke but to breathe. To send an example out. You know how to stop smoking. You just act like you're smoking. Way better than smoking. Natural air goes in your lungs, fills your breast, heals you, and you let it out again. Better than any kind of tobacco in the world. Out of nowhere there's a crocodile park here, but it's $30 entry. This is how it's built. So there are turtles, there are crocodiles, but I don't understand why they are capturing turtles in here. You know, you can just find the turtles everywhere. And also like with crocodiles, like why? But that's not the point of this video. But maybe I can take a look inside from the outside. You know, I'll just like circle around the crocodile park. Maybe we can see a crocodile inside there. Okay guys, this looks like a way where we can find one. I just need to be careful with like spiders and snakes, because you know we're still in Australia, but I think on this island I'm pretty safe. There's like not much on this island. Oh shit, there are a lot of windows though. Just need to be quick. So they can't see me. Oh, there are lights. There's someone inside. I'm gonna crawl on down here. Okay. I'm on the other side. I don't know. Can't see anything yet. Oh, I think there I have a chance to see one. There's one, guys. Can you see him? He's like right there. Crazy. That's the first time in my life seeing one. But I want to see a free one, not a captured one. Look behind the one fence, behind the second fence. Wait, maybe I can zoom. Yeah, I can zoom inside. There he is. So I think this crocodile was about like 1.5 meters long, or maybe 2 meters long, you know. Not like a huge one, but it was a pretty huge one. And it's cool because I've never seen a crocodile before. So it's cool that I've seen one now. And I'm just still walking around trying to get a better shot on another crocodile, but I don't think I can find another one. There's one in the water. He's like lurking, but no way you can see that on camera. I'm so sorry guys, but look at this. They're just collecting coconuts. Maybe I can open this one. They collected a good one. But yeah, there's a baby crocodile in here. I think that's the baby tank. Oh what? Fuck. I think that's the baby tank, yeah. No way, that's the baby tank. Do you see that face? Wait, I'll zoom in. Oh, it's already zoomed. Sorry guys. There's one huge one. There's a huge one. He's looking at me. I couldn't even see him and his face is like 10 centimeters below the water level. Crazy. These animals are so dangerous if you encounter them in the wild and if you can't see them. Because the surprise attack is the thing they're the most powerful in, you know, and then they do their twist move where they like catch you and then they twist their own body to take your limbs off your body. Crazy guys, crazy. Okay, so there's a different tank here. It looks like a Jurassic Park tank for real. They could hide like velociraptors in there. But yeah, I'm gonna check out what's in there and maybe I can find something from the outside, you know. But it doesn't look like it because the walls are like 3 meters high. Look at this. What the fuck? Even like there's even a watching platform, you know. What the fuck are they hiding in there? Crazy. But I could climb up there. Maybe I'll do that. Guys, give me a second. Okay guys, I'm gonna climb up there now. Or at least try to climb up there. I think I got a chance. This is a rooftop. Okay, we need to be sneaky now. Because there's no way I'm allowed to be here. Fuck. I'll take the camera in my hand. And I can hear some sounds like right under us. I think there's a water tank. Yeah, it's a water tank. Okay guys, maybe this is not for animals, but just like water tanks. Cause look, there's a different water tank. Yeah, there's no animal inside of here. It's something different. But it's a nice view. Maybe that's the water they use, like the salt water for the crocodiles and the turtles they have in here. You know, that's like the plant. Yeah, I guess that's it. Getting down here will be the next challenge. Bro, look at this. Shit. That's like 4 or 5 meters. I thought about walking a little bit further and I checked like different places, but yeah, there's really nothing to be seen here except of like water plants, I guess. Yep. Okay, I would love to film how I'm getting down, and I think, yeah, I can film like this, but maybe there will not be much visible. Oh shit. That's what I'm holding on to. And the boat is also a big help. Oh shit, there's a fence, so I can't climb all the way down like this. But one more step should be fine if I get the right grip. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, I think I'm gonna jump over the fence. Nice. Just for comparison, I want you guys to see how big this really is. That's me. Oh shit. Crazy. Alright, the plan now is to go back to the boat side because the boat is gonna take off in like 20 minutes, I think. And I wanna reach it, of course. And I still have this coconut with me, so maybe I can crack it open if I find a like fitting stone. And yeah, maybe I'll find something else on my way to the boat. I'll keep you updated. I'm just finishing my circle around the crocodile zoo thing. There's like some kind of holes in here, and I think there's like a tunnel system down here. I wonder what kind of animal did that, because the holes are pretty big. Hey guys, I think I'm in the facilities. I'm in. Fuck, there's sounds. There's someone working there, fuck. I think the animals are back there, but there's like a guy working right in front of it. Shit. And I need to catch the bus, fuck. I was so close. It was so random, you know, I was like finishing my route around the place, and then I just saw this open gate, and I was like, what the fuck, is it like the normal way or what? And then I walked inside, and it was just like the zoo, you know, they have an open gate in the back. Crazy, good to know. But yeah, I don't want to get in trouble by not catching the boat, so yeah, I'll start to head back. Shit guys, I just wanted to see the way home. And even my phone doesn't know. Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's where I wanna be. Okay, nice. I'm saved. But yeah, even though, look at this, you have to enjoy this. Like running through a forest is the best thing ever. It kinda hurts your feet, but the feeling you get from it is amazing. You just fuck. Shit. Wrong way. There's so much coconuts in here. There's no water inside them, but so much water inside this one. Okay, I'll head back. Right, which way? Fuck. This way there's buildings, that way there's the zoo. I think in general I shouldn't be in this area of the island. Fuck. I just need to get to the beach, because on the beach I know how to go. Yeah. So see you guys when I'm at the beach. Yeah, I can see the beach. But first, look at this. Hey. Look how big this thing is. Okay, so I found the beach. But this thing is very cool. I just need to hop this fence. And there's one more fence, and behind that there's the ocean. Yo, I just stepped somewhere and it popped. And I was like, what the fuck, was there a water bottle inside? And it was like one of these guys. Do you know these guys? The blue stinger jellyfish. But they're dead already, but look at these stingers. They're so poisonous, especially if you're like allergic to them. You have to go to the hospital. But today I swam with a wetsuit, so I was safe. But yeah, I just accidentally stepped on one. But it was dead anyways. I think I found the perfect rocks to open my coconut. This one. Yeah, I like the edge. Which side should I open it? Fuck! Whoa! Oh, it smells so bad though. But I'll try it. I won't drink the whole thing, maybe I'll get sick from it, but I'll try it. Wait, see, look. Whoa. Bah. I'm not sure if it should taste like this. I think I'll get sick from it if I drink more than that. Here, look at this. Looks so cool though. And it has a lot of water inside. Every time I opened a coconut, it was one of the brown ones and it never had any juice inside. Yeah, it is all coconut juice. Nice. I'm not sure why it tasted so bad though, because I'm not sure how coconuts normally taste like, that's the problem. I mean, I should try one coconut in a supermarket to see how that one tastes. And if that one tastes the same, then this one was good, you know, I just didn't like the taste. But I think it was expired or something, you know, like, of course in nature there's no thing as expired. But like it was starting to mold and being unhealthy for your body if you drink it. So I didn't want to risk it and get sick. Especially because I'm traveling right now, you know. Yeah. But it was a cool thing to try one, of course, yeah. Nice. Maybe I'll give an update when I try coconut in the supermarket, how good it was compared to this one. And what I just noticed is that when I were at the crocodile place and I saw that one crocodile sitting there, and I tried to point him out in the camera, but I think you guys couldn't see it because it was too small, like on the camera, because it was too far away. I should have took my stick out. My stick is so long, and then when I put my camera on the stick and I hold it towards the crocodile, you could have seen him from like very close, you know? Shit, I messed that thing up. Next time I'm gonna see a crocodile, I'll put the camera right in front of his face. But I'll try to be careful so he doesn't bite my camera off. Koala wants to see the crocodiles.
Oh my god!
So
I'm very excited to see the crocodile.
So this is the chance. We'll try to hurry. We have 20 minutes left before the boat takes off. Maybe I can use my stick to get close to the crocodile this time. Okay guys, we're in again. We need to sneak around to the crocodile place. Go, 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 go. Okay, now we have to go this way. This is the crossroad from earlier. Yeah. Come. Like, it was not here. We're on a different way. Where was it? It's closed though. Know the way. We go from here. Here are the holes that I showed earlier. Come, hurry! The boat is going. We're close, we're close. We're gonna get there. There's one. Oh, he's going under. He saw us. Can you see him? Wait, there's another one. Come. Maybe we can see the other one that I saw earlier. He was in a different tank. Yeah, he's still there. Do you see him? Okay, 1 second. Let me get one more shot. Oh, he's hiding. Oh, he turned his face towards us. Okay, we need to go. Alright guys, I think I got the shots. I'm not sure because the camera was so far away. But I'll update you if we made it back. Okay, this way. Guys, there was a guy who was like watching us like this while we got through the gate. Shit. But you know what I say? Catch me if you can. Guys, this is the happy ending. We made it back. The boat is still there. And yeah, it was a nice day. It was a nice vlog. I liked it. I hope you liked it too, whoever's watching. I'll send it to all my friends and my family. I'll see what happens.
Yeah, we need to go to the ferry now, you see? Because it's on...
See you next time.
Yeah, 30. Yeah.
Hadi!
Hadi!